All right, guys, we have the zigzag. This is gonna be a lot of fun. This is around this first cone, up under this cone, out to the exit. I mean, not the exit, but the corner cone, around, and then we're gonna exit. So let's go ahead and have fun with that one. So we're gonna go just like the boxer's glove, nice and easy. But now we have the zigzag right there, go around this cone, around this outside cone, and now we get to exit, but we have to go around everything. So give it some speed. All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna do this again, just like the boxer's glove. Come in, go around, and exit out. Let's have some fun on this one. It almost looks like Pac-Man. I was gonna call it Pac-Man, but I was worried about trademarks. So we're gonna call it the zigzag. So we're gonna come around this first cone, exit around. We gotta turn our head, counterweight, exit, 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 exit. There it is. That is the zigzag. All right, everybody. Hope you guys had a lot of fun doing this. This is 15 plus drills because of the bonus. And can't wait to practice against you guys, train against you guys. I'm doing this every single week. I want you guys to post your videos online. Tag me at DanDanTheFireman or at Motorcycle Training Concepts in the video description. I want to take a look at it. I'll post it on my live stream and I'll reshare it on my community page, especially if you guys are beating my times. But have a lot of fun. You're going to practice a lot of figure eights, U-turns, tight turns, friction zone throttle control, head and eye movement. We're going to have some games. We're going to have some fun. Challenge your friends. Take your kid out with a bicycle. Have an e-bike. Whatever it is you want to do. 2 wheels. Do it on a scooter. You guys can run just like their little suicide drills out on the basketball court. Have fun. Enjoy yourself. And if you want to know how to set up the camera and everything like this, well, this is kind of how I have it. I have a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Kind of having it lowered down here, almost like a drone. And when I cross the timer, boom, boom. But you guys have a stopwatch. You have a phone. Test each other out. And enjoy yourselves. I'll see you guys later.